Hello students. Due to the present lockdown and the continuous spread of COVID-19 virus, I am going to take up my online class of English literature for class 12. I begin my class with the English drama The Tempest. Since we have already studied Act 1, Act 2 and Act 3 from the play in class 11, therefore I take up Act 4, Scene 1 from the drama The Tempest. Kindly open your textbooks and listen attentively as I explain the scene. At the end of each class, I would be giving some assignments for you to practice. Act 4, Scene 1. Before Prospero's cell, enter Prospero, Ferdinand, and Miranda. Prospero, if I have too austerely punished you, your compensation makes amends. For I have given you here a third of my own life, or that for which I live, who once again I tender to thy hand. All thy vexations were but my trials of thy love, and thou hast strangely stood the test. Here, afore heaven, I ratify this my rich gift. O Ferdinand, do not smile at me that I boast her of, for thou shalt find she will outstrip all praise and make it halt before her. In these lines, Prospero tells Ferdinand that if I have been too strict in my punishment of you, your compensation will make it better. For I am giving you my daughter, who makes up a third of my entire life, and who is everything I live for. I put her into your hands. All of the trouble I gave you was just my way of testing your love for her, and you have endured those tests extraordinarily well. Here, before God, I promise you that I will give you this precious gift. O Ferdinand, don't laugh at me for praising her so highly, because you will discover that she exceeds all the praise given to her. Ferdinand, I do believe it against an oracle. Here Ferdinand says, I believe it and would ever believe it if the voice of God said otherwise. Prospero, then, as my gift and thine own acquisition worthily purchased, take my daughter, sir, then, and talk with her. She is thine own. What Ariel, my industrial servant, Ariel? Here Prospero says, then as my gift and thine own acquisition worthily purchased, take my daughter. Prospero continues to say, well said. Sit then and talk with her. She is yours. Come here, Ariel, my busy servant, Ariel. Enter Ariel. Ariel, what would my potent master? Here I am. Ariel says, what would my mighty master like? I am here at your command. Prospero, thou and thy meaner fellows your last service did worthily perform, and I must use you in such another trick. Go bring the rabble, over whom I give thee power, here to this place. Incite them to quick motion, for I must bestow upon the eyes of this young couple some vanity of mine art. It is my promise, and they expect it from me. Prospero says, thou and thy meaner fellows your last service did worthily perform, and I must use you in such another trick. Go bring the rabble, over whom I give thee power, here to this place. Incite them to quick motion, for I must bestow upon the eyes of this young couple some vanity of mine art. It is my promise, and they expect it from me. Ariel, presently. Ariel says, I will go immediately. Prospero, yeah, with a twink. Prospero says, yes, in the twinkling of an eye, do it immediately.